Welcome to our video on 5 natural teas to boost your immune system. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for overall health and well-being. Our immune system acts as a defense mechanism, protecting our bodies from harmful pathogens and illnesses. While there are various ways to support immune health, natural remedies have gained popularity for their effectiveness and minimal side effects. Teas have long been used as a natural remedy to enhance immunity, thanks to their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. What's great is that you can easily incorporate these immune-boosting teas into your daily routine using everyday ingredients found in your kitchen. In this video, we will explore 5 natural teas that can help strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. From soothing chamomile to invigorating ginger tea, these options are not only accessible, but also highly effective in supporting your body's natural defenses. Stay tuned to discover how these teas can be your go-to allies in maintaining optimal immune health. Tea 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea. Ginger Turmeric Tea is a powerhouse blend known for its immune-boosting properties. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can help strengthen the immune system. Turmeric, on the other hand, is rich in curcumin, a compound known for its immune-modulating and anti-inflammatory properties. To prepare ginger turmeric tea at home, start by boiling water in a saucepan. Add freshly grated ginger and turmeric, along with a dash of black pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Strain the tea into a cup and sweeten with honey or a splash of lemon juice for added taste and immune-boosting benefits. This immune-boosting tea offers a warm and spicy flavor profile, with a hint of earthiness from the turmeric. Feel free to experiment with additional ingredients like cinnamon or cloves to customize the taste to your liking. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthful tea recipes to support your immune system. Tea 2. Lemon Honey Tea. Lemon honey tea is a delightful blend that offers a refreshing way to boost your immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and helps the body fight off infections. Honey, known for its soothing properties, can help alleviate sore throats and provide additional immune support. To prepare lemon honey tea, start by boiling water in a kettle. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a mug and add a spoonful of honey. Pour the hot water over the lemon and honey mixture, stirring well to combine. Allow the tea to steep for a few minutes to infuse the flavors. The result is a comforting and invigorating beverage that can help ward off colds and flu. For a twist on this classic recipe, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or a sprig of fresh mint for added flavor complexity. Feel free to experiment with different types of honey or citrus fruits to customize the tea to suit your taste preferences. Stay tuned for more immune-boosting tea recipes to keep you healthy and energized. Tea 3. Echinacea Tea. Echinacea tea is a popular herbal remedy known for its immune-strengthening effects. Echinacea contains active compounds such as alkamides and polysaccharides that have been shown to support the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells and enhancing the body's defense mechanisms against infections. To brew Echinacea tea correctly, start by boiling water in a pot. Add dried Echinacea root or leaves to a tea infuser or directly into the water. Let the tea steep for about 10-15 minutes to extract the beneficial compounds. Strain the tea and enjoy it hot or chilled, depending on your preference. While Echinacea tea is generally safe for most people, some individuals may experience mild side effects such as upset stomach or allergic reactions. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating Echinacea tea into your routine, especially if you have existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Enjoy the immune-boosting benefits of Echinacea tea responsibly, and stay tuned for more herbal tea insights to support your well-being. Tea 4. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its potent antioxidant properties, making it a fantastic choice for boosting immunity. The antioxidants in green tea, such as catechins and epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, help combat free radicals in the body, reduce inflammation, and support overall immune function. There are various types of green tea available, including matcha, sencha, and jasmine green tea, each offering unique immune-boosting benefits. Matcha, for example, is a powdered form of green tea that contains higher concentrations of antioxidants, making it a powerful ally in strengthening the immune system. To brew the perfect cup of green tea for immunity, start by heating water to around 175 degrees, 80 degrees C. Steep the green tea leaves or tea bag for 2-3 minutes to extract the antioxidants effectively. Avoid boiling water as it can result in a bitter taste. Enjoy your green tea plain or with a touch of honey for added sweetness. Incorporate green tea into your daily routine to support your immune health and overall well-being. Stay tuned for more tips on harnessing the power of green tea for a healthier you. T5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is not only refreshing, but also offers a range of benefits for immune support. Known for its digestive properties, peppermint tea can help soothe stomach discomfort, reduce bloating, and support overall gut health. Additionally, the menthol in peppermint leaves may provide stress relief and promote relaxation, which can indirectly benefit the immune system. To prepare a simple and invigorating cup of peppermint tea, bring water to a boil in a kettle. Add fresh or dried peppermint leaves to a teapot or infuser, then pour the hot water over the leaves. Let the tea steep for 5-7 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse fully. You can enhance the immune-boosting effects of peppermint tea by adding a slice of fresh ginger or a squeeze of lemon for an extra vitamin C boost. Enjoy a cup of peppermint tea after meals to aid digestion or as a calming bedtime beverage to unwind and relax. Whether you sip it hot or chilled, peppermint tea is a versatile and soothing option to support your immune system. Stay tuned for more tips on incorporating peppermint tea into your daily routine for optimal health benefits. In this video on 5 natural teas to boost your immune system, we explored a variety of herbal teas that can help strengthen your body's natural defenses and support overall immune health. From the powerful blend of ginger turmeric tea to the refreshing qualities of peppermint tea, each tea option offers unique benefits for enhancing immunity naturally. Ginger turmeric tea provides anti-inflammatory properties, while lemon honey tea offers a vitamin C boost. Echinacea tea stimulates white blood cell production. Green tea provides potent antioxidants, and peppermint tea aids digestion and stress relief. We encourage you to incorporate these immune-boosting teas into your daily routine to fortify your immune system and promote overall well-being. Remember to brew these teas correctly to maximize their benefits and enjoy them at optimal times for maximum effectiveness. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedy content. Together, let's prioritize our immune health and embrace the power of nature's healing teas. Cheers to a healthier you.